Hello, what's up guys? For today's video, this will be an easier one. I will be showing you how to download or install Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 on your PC setup or your computer. This one's easy, just go to your web engine and type in callofduty.com on your upper link. And then once you're in, kindly go to Games on this tab and click on COD, Warzone. And once you're here, you can click on different options like PlayStation, Xbox, Battle.net, and Steam. But for today, we'll be clicking Battle.net. And then once you're here, it will be starting to download like so, here on the top right corner. And once you have clicked on that, it will show you the pop-up screen. And then we'll ask you to log in and then just click on Warzone 2.0. So the problem sometimes is that people mistake 2.0 to 3. It's the same. They have the problem in naming. And so when it pops up, you just click on download Warzone COD 2.0 and then click on install. And once you're here, it will be showing you the installing progress, and then you can play on your Battle.net COD Warzone 3. That's it. Thank you.